Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. WhatsApp has enrolled a new feature called payment option in WhatsApp. To use this WhatsApp payment option, you have to use the latest version of WhatsApp. Even I downloaded the latest version of WhatsApp, but still this payments feature is not yet available to me even in my mobile phone also. The reason is WhatsApp has released this feature for only 20 million users in India. So this feature may not be available in your mobile phone. No need to worry for that. It will take some time for WhatsApp to roll out this feature to all the 130 million people in this India. So if you don't have that feature, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to install that WhatsApp feature and how to use the WhatsApp feature with the official video of the WhatsApp. I have not done this video because in my mobile phone this feature is not available. So I have downloaded the official video of WhatsApp from the WhatsApp YouTube channel. I'm going to show you with the help of that video how to register for WhatsApp payment and how to transfer money using WhatsApp payment and what kind of fraud people can do using this WhatsApp payment. Now without any delay, let me begin this video. Step 1 is you have to update the WhatsApp Messenger in your mobile phone. So you have to install the latest version in your mobile phone, then only this feature is available. After you downloaded the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger, then what you have to do is you have to open your mobile phone, WhatsApp in mobile phone, and then you have to select one account and that you have to select the attachment. Once you select the attachment, you will see the payments option or payments tab in the mobile phone. Now once you see the payments tab or option in the mobile phone in WhatsApp, select that one and then it will take you to register in bank account. WhatsApp has been connected with ICICI Bank, State Bank of India and more than 100 banks in India. So you have to register the bank account in your WhatsApp. But one thing you have to remember that the number which is already connected or linked with the bank account should be used by you in WhatsApp also. That means the same mobile number which you are using for bank account and mobile phone. Then only you can link bank account and WhatsApp account and you can use WhatsApp payment. And after that you have to verify the details of your debit card which is linked with your bank account, and you have to set a UPI pin also to process the transaction. So you have to verify the details of your debit card and as well as you set a UPI pin, and then you can start transferring the money using WhatsApp payment. And one more thing is, if you want to transfer money using WhatsApp payment through WhatsApp, even that person whom do you want to transfer the money should also use this WhatsApp payment option. That means he or she should also have this WhatsApp payment option. Then only you can transfer money from your WhatsApp account to his or her WhatsApp account. And regarding fraud, WhatsApp has confirmed that WhatsApp is not going to send any kind of invitation messages to your personal account or to your personal WhatsApp number inviting you to enroll for this feature. If you are interested, you can enroll through this feature or you can start using this feature by yourself. WhatsApp is not going to ask you any bank details, and WhatsApp is not going to send you any kind of invitation to join into this feature. So be very careful. If you are interested to use WhatsApp for payments, you can enroll it and you can start using this WhatsApp payment option like Google payment option. Otherwise, if you are not interested, then you need not to register yourself in this WhatsApp payment. So be very careful. If anybody sends you an invitation that you can join into WhatsApp payment through this link, please don't join, because that may lead into difficult problems and it may cause a lot of unnecessary headaches for you. If you are interested, then this feature is available and you can enroll yourself with this WhatsApp feature. But as of now, WhatsApp has rolled out this feature for only 20 million users in India. It may be release this feature for more number of users in India within a week or so. WhatsApp Pay is also like a Google Pay. You can transfer money using UPI pin, and it claims that WhatsApp claims that it is a secure way of transferring money from your bank account into another bank account using WhatsApp. But we Indians have given access to our bank accounts to Google, which is a foreign company, and WhatsApp is also a foreign company. Either Google or WhatsApp or any other foreign agency or foreign application or foreign company which is providing this kind of services free of cost, they may be expecting something in a different way. Nobody will provide you this kind of services free of cost unless they get benefit in return. So they may be either selling our personal data or they may be getting benefit of some other way. then only they can provide this kind of features to all the Indians. And WhatsApp has rolled out this feature first in India only, not in any other countries. So not only WhatsApp, even Instagram, whatever the new applications developed by foreign country or foreign people, they are rolling out their applications first in the India, because we Indians trust these foreign companies services very easily, and we believe that they are providing quality service with free of cost. So it is up to you. If you want to use WhatsApp payment, you can use this WhatsApp payment. I don't endorse the WhatsApp payment, and I am not advising you to use WhatsApp payment. It is a new feature which is available in WhatsApp. I thought of sharing this latest information with you all. That is the purpose I have done this video, and even I have downloaded the video from WhatsApp. I don't know whether this video is going to get a copyright claim or not, but my intention is to share this information with you all. So that is my intention. I don't have any other motto. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And always remember, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.